Why are there not more people talking about sneezing with their eyes open? Let's uncover this mystery together. Sneezing is one of those quirky human reflexes, but did you know that sneezing with your eyes open is like trying to lick your elbow? Practically impossible. Here's the deal. When you sneeze, your body goes into autopilot mode. Your brain sends out a close the eyes command to protect those precious peepers. It's a reflex designed to keep out germs and debris. But if you're a rebel and you've managed to sneeze with your eyes open, congratulations. You're probably a superhero. So next time someone tells you to keep your eyes open while sneezing, just smile and say, "I'll leave that to the superheroes." Stay curious, folks.